Welcome to this video on how to use Leonardo.ai, a tool for creating hyperrealistic images.
To get started, create a Discord account and join the Leonardo server. Select your language and specify what you want to do with this AI. Confirm that Leonardo.ai works as a separate web application, agree to the terms and conditions, then return to the main site and select I'm on the waiting list. On the home page, you'll find the pricing plan, which offers a free plan to generate up to 150 images per day, as well as a premium plan for business users. You can also use the Remix tool to create new variations of a pre-generated image. To put this tool into action, select a template and enter the details of the image you want to create. You can also merge two images together using the prompt. Keep in mind that the AI may sometimes not catch your true intentions, but you have the option to choose the best option for your image. Finally, feel free to experiment with this tool right now and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for following us and see you soon.